You might not realize it, but the most valuable aluminum of the future is found in mines. It's in the scrap heap. A scrapped car, an old window frame, or even an empty soda can all be transformed into profitable, recycled aluminum. Why is scrap aluminum so valuable? Producing a single ton of primary aluminum consumes a massive amount of electricity and generates significant carbon emissions. To put it simply, the energy required to produce 1 ton of primary aluminum is enough to process 20 tons of recycled aluminum. In fact, recycled aluminum consumes only 5% of the energy needed for primary aluminum. Demand for aluminum is surging, driven by hot sectors like new energy vehicles, solar mounting systems, and AI data centers. However, building new primary aluminum smelters is costly, energy-intensive, and high-polluting, with limited room for expansion. Recycled aluminum, meanwhile, cuts carbon emissions by 95%. Under dual carbon policies, the industry is racing to secure scrap aluminum as the most efficient and eco-friendly way to meet this demand. You might assume Europe and the US are far ahead in this area, but China is actually the world's largest producer of recycled aluminum, accounting for 26.5% of the global total. This figure is set to double over the next decade as control over scrap aluminum supplies translates into a competitive advantage. The most important source of scrap aluminum isn't the soda cans in your home, but new energy vehicles. These vehicles use tens of kilograms more aluminum than conventional cars. Once the first wave of them reaches the end of their life, entire cities will effectively become mines. The next trillion yuan industry, one tab new, mines or primary aluminum production, but rather the overlooked scrap aluminum. Right around us, your scrap aluminum might be worth far more than you imagine.